Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to discussing about an FEM finite element method on one-dimensional bar element problems. Let us start with today's session. Problem number one: one-dimensional bar, one-dimensional bar subjected to axial load. So this is a bar. So one end is fixed, other end is freely, and load is applied 10 kilonewton. So this is axial loading. Okay, taking it a single bar element, find a nodal displacement, stresses and reaction forces. So this is the problem I have. So this is a bar element where area and Young's modulus is given in the problem. So let us start with the today's session. Write a FE model, finite element model. So one one uh, one single bar is given. So one node 1 and node 2, so have to write it node 1 and row 2, and this is a one element, only one element is given. So this is the force F 10 kilonewton. Okay, so in these cases only two node is given. So this is the q1 and f1. So this is the q2 and f2. Q1 and f1 is 0 always, because of one end is fixed. One end is fixed because of q1 and f1 is always 0. When q2 and f2, q2 you have to find out in other equation. So f2 is always 10 kilonewton plus 10 kilonewton, because of the force direction is towards direction. Because of this is positive, where negative this direction, where opposite direction, because of this bar is tension. When the load is negative, is called as compressive. Okay, next to find out element stiffness matrix, where K is equal to AE by L, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So this is standard formula. Okay, to find out K1, how will you find out K1? Where K1 is equal to A1 E1 by L1. So note on the AE and L values. So I'm note on the values in this equation, where 200 is the gigapascal, will convert into megapascal into 10 power 3. So I have 2 into 10 power 6, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So I have to write it only 10 power 6 minus 1. So remaining only 10 power 6, and you have to multiply 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2. So this is for your K1 value. So this is how K1 value to find out Q. So note on the equilibrium equation, equilibrium condition, where K into Q equals to F, force. Note on the K value and Q value and F value. So note on the all the equations where K is 10 power 6, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. So where Q equals to Q1 and Q2. Uh, when given in the problem stepped bar, and other one is attached to it, you can write it as Q1, Q2, Q3, those things, when F1 and F2. Okay, so note on all the values in this equation, where q values, q1 is always 0 because of one end is fixed. Okay, q1 and f1 always 0. Okay, already I told. And f is already f1 and q1 is already 0, and put y2 is equal to, say y2 is equal to, this is a 2. Okay, this is f2, 10 kilonewton plus, because of towards direction. Okay, tension. And so in the bar element, one end is fixed, other end is freely, and with load is applied. uh, so in this equation, first row and first column you have to delete it, because of, so in this bar element you have to fix this side. So this side is fixed towards, and you have to delete it only first row and first column. Okay, so I will choose deleted all this first row and first column. So in this case remaining is 2 into 10 power 6 into q2 is equal to 10 into 10 power 3. Already I have note down 2 into 10 power 6 q2 is equal to 10 into 10 power 3. So q2 equals to 10 into 10 power 3 divided by 2 into 10 power 6, where q2 value, so q2 value is 5 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so next to find out stresses. Okay, where standard equation, so standard equation ebq means e where b is equal to 1 by l, where q is equal to q, and split the equation e by l, where e into 1 into e divided by l, where q means q1 by q2. Okay, this is a standard formula I have, and note on all the data in this equation. So note on all the data in this equation, where E is equal to 200 gigapascal, 10 power 3 divided by L is 1000 millimeter, where same, and Q1 is the 0, always 0. Node 1, Q1 and F1 is always 0, Q1 is 0, Q2 is, so this is a Q2, where 5 into 10 power minus 3. So I have written it, and then so you have to solve this one. You will get 200, and in this equation you have to multiply minus 1 into 0 is always 0, 1 into 5, 1 into 5 into 10 power minus 3 is plus 5 into 10 power minus 3, where 200 5 into 10 power minus 3, so multiplied both the equation. So sigma 1 or sigma is equal to 1 Newton per millimeter square. So next to find out reaction forces, where R is equal to K into Q into minus F. So this is a standard equation. Note on all the datas. So substituting the all the values in this equation. So R1, R2, because of only two node I have, where only one element 1 and 2, where when the stepped bar 1 2 3 node is given, only I have this one, only I have to write r1 and r2. Okay, q1 q2 f1 f2, this is a minus. So f1 value is 0 always, q1 value is always 0, q2 I have to I will find out q2, and 5 into 10 power minus 3, and f2 value is always given in the problem in one dimensional bar element is 10 kilonewton. Okay, 10 into 10 power 3. So I will write it as this type, where r1 r2 10 power 6 as it is. Next multiply these two, and minus this one, where 2 into 0, right, minus 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3, minus 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3, again as it is, minus 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0, plus 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3, 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3 as it is, and 0 10 into 10 power minus 3, 10 point, plus 3. So I will write it as this type, where 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0 as it is, 5 into 10 power minus 3 into 2, 10 into 10 power minus 3 as it is, same 10 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, same way I have to write it 0, where 2 into 10 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3 is 2 into 10, 5 into 10, same as, and I write it as same things, and only 0 minus 10 into 10 power minus 3 is remaining minus 10 into 10 power minus 3, where this is also same, and then r1 by r2 10 into where 10 power 6 into minus 10 into 10 power 6 minus 60 into 10 power 3 minus 3, and this is also 60 into 10 power minus 3. So this is also 0, 10 into 10 power 3, where so minus 60 into 10 power minus 10 power minus 3 minus 0 is as it is, and 60 into 10 power minus 3 minus 60 into 10 power plus 3 is cancelled, is 0, where R1 is equal to minus 60 into 10 power minus 3, where R2 is equal to reaction force is 0. So this is a one dimensional bar element problem. So in your video question paper in 20 marks is given in the examination. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.